Turaj Najafian, chiropractor at Focused on Health. Today I want to talk to you about the connection between sleep and healing. What a lot of people don't know is that most and majority of our healing occurs during our sleeping hours. Things like tissue repair, toxin metabolite removal, inflammation reduction, enhanced immune system function, brain resilience, all of these things just to name a few. So getting the right amount of sleep as well as the good quality of sleep is extremely important to healing and enjoying optimal health. The reverse of that is if you don't have good quality sleep over time, not 1 or 2 nights or 1 or 2 weeks, but over time, that could wreak havoc in your entire system. So the latest data shows that the optimal level of sleep for the average adult is between 7 to 9 hours. And we want to have good quality sleep. So let's talk about that. What is good quality of sleep? When we are awake, our wavelength activity is either in the alpha, beta, or gamma rays. And when we're asleep, we're functioning in either the delta or the theta mode. Delta activity, which is where the deep sleep is and where all the good activities occur, is where we want to get to. So the brain-body connection is extremely important. And for that reason, when a patient comes in to see us for whatever is their primary symptom, we do a complete assessment and we give them tools to be able to help them with improvement of their sleep quality as well. Because invariably in their intake form, almost every single person is complaining about varying degrees of sleep issues. Things that you can do to help yourself, for example, would be things like avoiding fluids up to 2 hours before going to bed, things like caffeine or alcohol. Avoiding cortisol-inducing activities. Cortisol is the stress hormone in our body, so things like exercise, for example, would increase cortisol. Or watching TV, or being on your devices. So those kinds of things are things you want to avoid at least 2 hours before you go to bed. Also, making sure that you have the appropriate environment, the right temperature. You want to be in a dark room and make sure you have good air quality and so on. So I hope you find this information helpful if you have any issues with sleeping, and I hope you have a wonderful day.